Yo, what is up everybody, it's me Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Roblox account. So it's pretty simple to delete your Roblox account, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now there is not a single button in Roblox where you guys can just click on it and delete your account, because Roblox does not support that feature of deleting your account. So if you guys created yourself a Roblox account, there's just two ways to delete it. One way is to wait for a year. Basically, if you guys do not use your account like your Roblox account, you don't log in into it, you don't do anything, you just log out from your account and leave it empty for a year, like you just don't log in into it and don't use it for a year. Basically after a year, Roblox sweeps through their server, they check their server, and if they find an account not used for more than a year, then basically they will delete it. So that's basically what you have to wait for. You basically don't use your account for a year, and after a year it will be deleted. So for that you need to wait for a year. But if you guys want to do it quickly, then you guys need to send them a request, or send them a message for deleting your account like this. You just need to go to roblox.com/support like this. You just need to go roblox.com/support. You just type support, and basically you just go to roblox.com/support, and it's going to take you to the support page. Once you're over here, you want to enter the username of your account and the first name of yourself. It is optional. If you guys want to enter the first name, you can. If you don't want it, you can leave it empty. Over here, you want to enter your email. After entering the email, you want to enter it again over here to confirm the email. Confirming the email, basically over here on the issue detail, you want to choose PC. If you are playing Roblox in PC or in other places, choose one platform. After that, you want to click on please select. You just want to choose how to, and basically select others over here. Basically once you're over here, you want to enter an issue, you just write this over here, my son is playing a lot of Roblox on his account, so I need to delete his account, so can you please help me do it? Or you can even write other appeal, I do not want to play Roblox anymore, so can you please delete my account, or other stuff. Just write your appeal over here. After doing that, basically you want to enter the email address which is linked with your Roblox account, and over here your username should be the username which you used on your Roblox account. After you do that, you want to click on submit, and problem will be submitted to Roblox, and once Roblox staff views it, if they want to help you delete your account, then they're going to send the email to this email over here. You just need to check your email after 1 or 2 days. Once they reply, they're going to show you the way on how you guys can delete your account. But if they don't reply to you, then basically they are not going to help you delete your account. You just need to wait for a year for deleting your account. So these are the way on how you guys can delete your Roblox account. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.